In this Webpull review, I'm going to be showing you a 3-click website builder software that they've been using in order to make $525 per day creating websites for other businesses. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on every single one of them. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Webpull, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says the 60-second system gets you automated income daily. Anyone can do this. A brand new technology creates profit-pulling websites in 1,000 niches in 60 seconds flat. It makes us $525 a day over and over. Easily create and sell done-for-you websites for big profits to affiliates, coaches, local businesses, attorneys, dentists, etc., etc. So essentially, if you get behind all the hype here, it's a website builder. It is a WordPress software. So this goes on a WordPress website. You will need to either have a WordPress website of your own or your customer that you create this for. You're going to need to make them a WordPress website. Just want to make sure that's 100% clear because I know people will ask that question. So it says choose, select a theme and done for you content from preloaded 400 stunning business themes. Customize it, upload the logo, add your business name as the business needs, and then publish, they say, and sell for profit. Of course, you will need to find customers. There's tons of people on places like Fiverr, and they can actually see results that they've gotten here. These are payments they've gotten from Upwork and Fiverr selling services on there. They say, see my real earnings from selling websites built with Webpull in 60 seconds. So you can see these are actual results that they have here, making money. He's made $20,000, it looks like, on Fiverr here, and it looks legitimate, these earnings here. So these are other people making money doing this kind of thing here. I will build and host your WordPress site. These people are charging like $1,200 for this. It says Boomer Smith has made $20,000 on Fiverr in just 4 months of his start in December 2021. This guy right here is earned almost $17,000 in just 47 days on Upwork. This guy here is $183,000 that he's made on Freelancer. So it's a niche that people need. They need websites. If you want to build them, you can use this software to build them websites. You can see how newbies made thousands of dollars from website services here. So you can actually see the other examples of people making money on places like Fiverr and Upwork. Again, you don't have to actually talk with anyone. You don't have to meet with anyone in person. You can use these places, these marketplaces like Upwork and Fiverr in order to actually do your services here. So it says here, create any type of site, super customizable, no worries of paying monthly, no limits, and it has 50 plus features on this. So if we scroll down, I have a comparison to other site builders out there. This one's one time during the launch, which I think is something that a lot of people will like about this, is this just a one-time payment. And you get all these different things. It says you can build up to 100 sites. So it looks like there's a limit on how many sites you can do. You can do 100 sites with this. As far as like a discount goes, here we go. If you move your mouse away, you can get a $3 off discount. I make less as an affiliate by showing that, but I want to make sure that you guys get the lowest price. Please hit that like button. I really appreciate it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a quick video of them explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you a real example site and the backend area, the OTOs and the discounts.
Did you know 547,200 new websites are being created every day? That is 380 websites every single minute. So this states that the website creation market is on fire right now. And this is the perfect time to get in and profit from the $284 billion website creation industry. And freelancers are charging between $500 to $1,000 for just creating basic websites. See how much Scopix is charging on Fiverr for creating a simple website, and that too in 21 days. And Payday is charging $500 for creating a website for numerous clients. So there is huge business opportunity. How would you feel if I told you that you too can create and sell professional websites in any niche or language and charge $500 to $1,500 again and again. Interested? I'm Ayush Jain, along with my friend Pranshu Gupta. We are happily living the internet lifestyle since last 10 years with having full flexibility of working from anywhere at any time. And while we don't say this to brag, we do want to make one thing clear. Whatever business you do online, you need a website. And if you browse on internet, you will find a website for everything, be it for a local business, online business that sells services, e-com store that sells physical products, software products, info products, affiliate products, or even if it is a list building business. And when you tap into its immense power and use it for your business, the results can be true freedom and explosive income all at the same time. It's fair to say that it's the biggest traffic and income opportunity to encash right now. But it's not as easy as it looks. You must spend hours on building a website from scratch. You need to learn how to code or design. Hiring a developer to build website is a costly affair. Lots of headache on deciding which theme, color, design, etc. And lastly, you might choose any ordinary website builder. Those are of low quality, higher recurring cost, and very less flexibility. We know exactly how you feel. Even though we were succeeding with it, we couldn't deny how much frustrating it was. So, we decided to fix that problem. After years of learning and planning and coding, we're pleased to announce that we've created that solution, and we'd like to share it with you today. Presenting Webpull, brand new WordPress website builder, preloaded with 400 plus themes to create beautiful websites in just 60 seconds. So, let's have a closer look at it. Creating a professional, SEO optimized, and mobile responsive website, or setting up your own website creation agency to make big profits is a tough nut to crack. But with Webpull, it's easy and fast. Webpull helps anyone to replace old school website creation methods and expensive freelancers in just 3 simple steps. 1. Choose a theme. To begin, choose a theme from our 400 plus beautiful done-for-you themes hosted on the cloud in 100 plus niches. 2. Customize the site. Now, all you need to do is edit and customize it to best match your business needs and get your website up and running. 3. Publish and profits. Now publish the website for your client services, products, or blogs, and you're all done. Now use it or sell to your clients for instant profits. No installation, no designing, or other techie stuff. Webpull helps you to create fast-loading, mobile responsive, and SEO-optimized websites in any niche in just a few minutes. And everything works under a single dashboard with 0 headaches of learning. It's easy, fast, and built with love. With Webpull, you can do much more. Build beautifully designed websites, marketplace, and e-com stores with your services, products, portfolios, services, and testimonials, and start selling online right away. Accept online payments for your services and products with seamless WooCommerce and payment gateway integrations. You'll receive 400 plus stunning, eye-catchy, high-converting, and fully customizable themes to captivate the audience and maximize visitor engagement. Use them to build any type of business website for your own business or for your clients in any niche. No guesswork, no assumptions, just choose from proven to convert design and templates to a quick start and create a website within a few minutes. Next up, you can build lightning-fast mobile sites that engage every mobile visitor for more sales. You can even disable disturbing sidebars and footer widgets on mobile to boost the performance. Change the header color or BG image and much more. Maybe you want to change text color, font family, font size, or headlines. Well, you can do it all in just a few clicks right from the dashboard. And that's just a handful of features. There are many more valuable benefits included, such as get more likes, shares, and viral social traffic with inbuilt social media tools. Maximize your lead generation results with our ready-to-use and beautiful lead forms in multiple designs and colors. Want to track your visitors using Google Analytics, Webmasters, or want to use Facebook Remarketing Pixels? You can do it too without even touching any code in just a few clicks. Set up a Google map or a beautiful slider with video image or lead form options with a strong call to action button. Now your wish has become a reality. We went even further and are introducing you to a beautiful slider to entice your audience, which you can display in multiple combinations with call to action options and lead forms. It is also preloaded with done-for-you editable templates for local marketing graphics, marketing videos, social media graphics, logo kit, marketing letters, and thousands of royalty-free stock images and videos. So whatever your goal, we have a proven solution for you. So just get your hands on Webpull to create and sell mobile responsive, highly engaging premium websites, and it streamlines everything for you 24/7. Even while you are sipping your cappuccino, watching your favorite web series on Netflix, shaking your leg on the dance floor, or even watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court, it has got everything covered. And that makes Webpull a cut above the rest. It's fast and easy. It's reliable. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-art solution, and I'm sure that you will love it. And in case you ever get stuck, we will always be here for you with our customer support. So I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you. So, what are you waiting for? Webpull is available for just one-time price, without any limitations, but just for this special charter launch of 5 days. And after this introductory phase, it's going to get back to its rightful monthly price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. This will also give you a massive opportunity to make additional or full-time income each month. Go for this one-time investment that's fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee and grab your complete access to this ultimate platform. Now, the clock is ticking here, so click on the button below and get instant access to Webpull for this one-time low price before it turns to monthly recurring. Lastly, we Ayush Jain and Pranshu Gupta congratulate you in advance for taking action now to build your successful business for years to come. The Webpull team is waiting to assist you and welcome you inside your exclusive members area.
Okay, so we are back. So this is a website. I asked them for a demo site of this, and this is the website they gave me, an example site that they said was made with this software here. So this is the demo that they gave me. Now they have multiple, here's the backend area here. So this is what you'll have access to. You can download your software and all your assets and everything in here. There are multiple upgrades. So the first one here says go unlimited and supercharge your account with this. You can get unlimited websites, unlimited leads, unlimited pro themes, all these different things here. You get, it looks like a cutting edge autoresponder, all these for this OTO. So this is an optional upgrade here. They have a monthly or a one-time. Of course, you want to get the one-time, but if you click no thanks on this, it does bring you to a light version of this. So I want to make sure that you guys know about that. It says it's a light version, so you get it at like half the price here. So make sure you do that. Again, I make less by showing that to you, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. The next one you'll see is the Done For You agency. Would you like to set up your own profitable pro agency today and like charge for clients? So this will get everything all set up for you. Again, on this one, I do want you to click on the no thanks button because that should bring up a discount. Maybe it's not, but you should always try it. Right now it isn't, but I recommend you try it. The next one you're going to see here is reseller license. So you can resell this, keep 100% of the profits. And then that's the one that they have there. I'm going to try that no thanks button. I always do it just in case it's going to bring us over into something. Sometimes there will be a discount, so just always try that. And the last one you'll see is one-time access to 20 premium apps that they have here. Now, all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Webpull and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about this is that you will need a WordPress website to make this work. So this isn't like a cloud-based software. So just be aware of that. What do I like about this? Providing websites as a service is a time-tested way of making money online. If you're interested in providing web services and you want to be able to help businesses and make money at the same time, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Webpull, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.